friends, how are you? Myself Aman, and today I am standing front of the Siram International Airport. The second name of this airport, Maharshi Valmiki Antarashtriya Airport, International Airport. So today, the topic of my video is opportunity. I will discuss what is the opportunity and how can we utilize the opportunity for our beneficial of our life. How can we get opportunity at the every step of our life? Because we want to live a professional life, we want to live a smart life, so we need to take the advantage of it opportunity, because opportunity provides so many things to all of us. So we need to get good advantage of the opportunity. So today I am going to talk about how can you utilize your opportunity and how can you get opportunity in the at the every step of your life. So first I would like to tell you, if you want to get the opportunity at the every step of your life, then you need to follow one my thing. One formula. What is the formula? What is that formula? The formula is that you need to acquire knowledge. I mean, ability of a person is first requirement for the growth. So you need to create good ability in yourself. If you can do this, of course opportunity will knock your door. Believe me, because ability of a person is first requirement for the growth. So if you want to get good opportunity, if you want to get good opportunity, you need to acquire knowledge, you need to acquire so many outside behavior which is need to you. If you have ability, believe me, opportunity will come back you, no matter where you are, what you are doing, no matter when opportunity will come. But believe me, opportunity definitely will come to you. They and the opportunity will knock your door. This is the natural force between the opportunity and ability. This is the natural force, opportunity and the ability, they attract to each other. As north pole of the magnet and south pole of the magnet attract to each other, same thing happens with the opportunity and ability. If you have ability, of course opportunity will knock your door, opportunity will ask to you what do you want, and of course they will help you all the ways in your life to grow. So believe me, try to create good ability in yourself. Try to every time, every second in the whole day, try to create good ability in yourself, and believe me, opportunity will come. So many persons says, what is the opportunity? So opportunity is the time. Opportunity means a time when you can, when we can show our full potential, when we can put our full potential to show our knowledge, to show our strength. So it is good time to show your strength. So if you have good ability, nobody can stop you. You will get opportunity every step of life, because you have ability. So opportunity will chase you, opportunity will chase you till the last breath of your life. I know so many cricketer, when they when they get good opportunity, then they show his potential front of the people, and after that they become very famous, very famous. If you know about the Sourav Ganguly, then when Sourav Ganguly was touring on the in England, at that time he get a opportunity to to play the cricket, and in the it was the first international cricket for his life, and in that cricket he made century run. You can imagine, he made century run. And unfortunately he got this chance, because of some reason he got this chance randomly, you can say. And at that time he saw his full capability, he saw his full potential front of the people, front of the audience. So after that he became very famous. So you can understand he had ability, so that's why he create too much run. And after that, you know that Sourav Ganguly became the captain of the Indian cricket. So you can understand that if you have ability, if you have quality, if you have good knowledge, nobody can stop you. You can do this, you can make different, you can write, you can do good than others. So you need to understand, then you need to require ability in your life till the last breath of your life. And the second thing is, so many people ask to me, so many, I talked to so many person, so many people say, I am not getting this type of job, I am not getting that type of job. This company does not provide me that job. I asked, I am asking to him, do you have ability to achieve that job? If you have ability, of course you can achieve that job. If the manager of that company, if the boss of that company is not giving you that job, you can establish own business. You can run your business because you have ability, you have potential, you have strength. So you can do whatever you want to do in your life. Nobody can stop you. So you need to understand the why, I mean, you need to understand the, so you can understand ability is very important in your life. If you have, then you can grow, you can do better than others, you can achieve in every area, and you can achieve success in every area. Whatever you desire, you can achieve. So I would like to tell you that don't blame to other. If you want to take good advantage of opportunity, try to create good knowledge in yourself, try to acquire good knowledge to yours in yourself. Because if you are quite capable, if you are quite able, if you can able to the people well, if you can handle to the situation well, of course you can do better, you can achieve better, you can grow in your life. Better, more better. So you can understand this is the power of ability. Because I don't understand that you are alone. Because one tree can start a forest. One understand it very well. I am not going to elaborate it. One tree can start a forest. One man ability can change the whole world. One drop of chemical can increase the strength of a material. One person good thoughts can change the so many person hearts. So you can understand this is the power of one. So you never try to understand that I am alone. Because in one things that there is too much power hidden in one things. So you need to utilize your power, you need to grow. If you want to grow in your life, if you want to take good advantage of the opportunity, of course you should focus on the opportunity ability. I met so many pupils. I talked, I consulted with him. He said, I did not, I cannot able to understand how can I grow our ability. How can I make to ourselves strength? How can I acquire good knowledge? Because if it is very difficult or difficult task for all of us, we are living that type of place where we have facing different, where we are facing different type of problem, where we are facing different type of destruction, where we are facing different type of different type of you can say controversy. So in this field, if you want to acquire good knowledge, so it becomes very difficult for all of us. But I would like to tell you that beliefs is very big power to change anything in your life. Believe to yourself that I can do it, I can make it happen. your right kind of attitude will give you success. So belief is also, it's a belief also says that if you will apply to, if you can understand me, then you can achieve stability of mind, you can achieve happiness of mind, you can achieve peace of mind, as well as you can also increase your ability wherever you want to go. So believe to yourself. I am not saying when you start to do something after within 1 month that will complete. I'm not saying it will take time, because we are humans. We have not too much power that we can do anything within within 1 day, within 2 days. Because if you want to learn a language, you need to spend a lot of time. Same thing, if you want to create good ability in yourself, then you need to spend a lot of time to achieve that thing, to learn that thing, to concentrate on that. But you need to concentrate over that, you need to focus over that. Then you can achieve, then you can increase your capability, then you can become caliber person. So a ability contribute too much in your success. So never blame after watching this video, you should try to say to yourself that I will never blame to another person, and after that I will try to make good ability in myself, and I will try to go at peak point wherever I want to go. So of course you will go, you will reach. This is the, if you are watching this video, if you are spending your time, then you need to learn something from this video. So my first teaching is always try to create good ability. I again say that it cannot be it can be, it will be not happen within 1 month, within 2 months. If you are saying that I have to leave the, I have to avoid the distraction of mobile phone. You are saying to yourself that I have to avoid the distraction of mobile phone. Of course, it will not become within 1 days. It will not become within 2 days, because you have addicted with the mobile phone. So you are, if you are saying that within 1 day, within 2 days, I will left to watch the mobile phone, it never will possible. It will never possible, because uh, we are humans, we are not computer that if we will set something then we are start to do like that. If we are programmed to ourselves something within 1 day, then we will start to like that. We are learning very gradually, very slowly, and our every mistake give a good motivation to ourselves. Our every failure give good experience to ourselves. So if you want to avoid the distraction of mobile phone, then you need to contemplation your mind every time in your life, that until you did not watch, until you don't watch, until you don't avoid you to use mobile phone. You need to tell to yourself every time, every moment in your life, that I have to leave the mobile phone, I have to finish the mobile phone from our life, I have to control over the mobile phone. Because you need to control over the mobile phone. If you can control over the mobile phone, then you can grow well, then you can learn more, you can do better than other. But if mobile will control to you, if mobile will control over to you, you are undoing, you will do work in your whole life under the mobile. Whatever mobile will say you do. What type of video mobile will say, you will watch. What type of suggestion mobile will provide, you will do. So you need to come out from that type of situation and try to ask question from your heart, and you need to give some freedom to your mind, some freedom to your body. And if question any question that is related to in your life, don't ask mobile phone how can I do this, how can I make it this, how can I achieve that thing. Try to ask to yourself, because nobody in this world know about your situation, what type of the situation you are facing. Nobody know. Because you know very well what type of the situation you are facing. So if you are thinking that, "Yeah, I will go to any other person that for the solving my problem and they will help you," it is not possible. Because I have experienced of this situation. I have experienced of this situation, and I have not only experienced, so many person has experienced about that thing. That if you will tell your problem to other always, if you will invest your time, if you will invest, if you will misuse your energy to telling that different type of the problem to different person, you are not going to good way to your destination in your life. So you need to give some freedom to your mind, some freedom to your hearts, that some freedom to your mind, that they can it can take good decision, it can make good path to grow you. If you can give something, of course your mind will grow, your mind will glow, and you know all the situation of your life, you know all the problem your life, then your mind will give you exact answer which you are searching from long time. So you need to give some freedom to yourself, focus to acquire knowledge, create good ability in yourself, and take the advantage of opportunity. And if you are, if I asking you what is opportunity, so many persons said will say that the as of between 20 to 30 is good opportunity. So many people perspective of different person, the answer of this question, answer of my question will be different. Because so many people will say that the as of between 10 to 20 is a good opportunity to live a life. But it is not enough. Yeah, I would like to add some more points. Of course they are saying good, but I want to add some more point, and my point is that life is also an opportunity. Because so many creatures upon this earth under the sun has not opportunity to live a human life. You have opportunity to live a human life. So you have a very good opportunity, you have very big opportunity, you have very awesome opportunity. So you need to utilize your opportunity. As a humans, if we have good opportunity given by God. So you need to understand, opportunity is not only the certain time of circumstances. Opportunity is your life. Opportunity, no matter circumstances will not give you opportunity, time will not give you opportunity, your right kind of attitude will give you opportunity. If you are thinking right, if you are thinking good about something, then you will get opportunity every time in your life. You will get opportunity, you will definitely get opportunity every time in your life. Because you are seeing everything with good way, you are searching good opportunity in everything. You are not waiting for the opportunity, you are searching opportunity. And when you will go to search the opportunity, you will see opportunity, you will find opportunity in the on the every step of your life. So don't blame to other that I am not I have not opportunity. Try to create good ability. If you have good ability, I again say, opportunity will knock your door. You will grow, you will get whatever you want to get in your life. So what's your suggestion? If you are finding any type of mistake in this video, try to avoid, because my purpose to make this video only learning English. I am learning English here. So it's not any type of controversy topic, it's not any type of disputes topic. I am not try to make a type of dispute on this topic. So you need to avoid any kind of mistake done by me. So, and if you have good suggestion, any kind of suggestion, try to write in the comment box. I will try to improve, I will try to apply your suggestion. And the person who will give me suggestion, I will I will announce the name of that person in the next video. So I will see you in the next video. I think it's enough.